Hello, my name is Donna Wood, your personal real estate consultant. And today I wanted to introduce you to a very special and unique home in Old Town Ventura. I'm actually sitting on the front stairs and enjoying the island and ocean views. This home was built in 1908. The property runs all the way from Polite all the way to Buena Vista, so it's a very unique home. Years ago, it was divided into 4 units, which even gives you more possibilities. You have great ocean views from 3 of the units. You also can walk downtown, you can go to the beach within a few blocks walk, and the inside's amazing also. Let me give you a tour, see what you think, and also tour you a little bit around downtown Ventura. Enjoy.